Hi, this is Bruce Parker from MarineMax in New York at the Copiague and Lindenhurst location. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of the 21 Montauk we have in our Copiague showroom. It does have the T-top option with the canvas top, as you can see. There is a fish well in the back held open by friction hinges so it stays up. You don't need the hydraulic bars. It does have the optional cockpit table, which is a great you're hanging out with friends and family. This boat does have the equipped additional jump seats in the stern, both on the port and the starboard side. And she's also equipped with the new series 200 horse Mercury FourStroke. The best engine on the market for sure. So let's take a walk down through the hull here. This does have, like I say, quite a few options on it. Has the low stainless steel rails here in the stern. It does have the teak package. And then it has a larger bow rail going to the front. As we move forward, it has a full cushion package with backrest. So a nice sun lounging and relaxing area here in the bow of the boat. And it does have here in the forward of the console a nice Yeti cooler. By far the best on the market, we all know that. And as we move to the starboard side of the boat, you'll see inside the center console is a large area, and there is a porta potty down there. So this boat's nicely equipped. Let's go back by the helm here now. You can see there's plenty of walkway here to get around this boat. It does have a MarineMax chart plotter, hybrid, and a MarineMax VHF radios also on this boat. Got a nice console and gauge package here. There's your VHF radio. And it does have a Fusion stereo also. Like I say, this is nicely equipped, this boat. Designed for a little fishing, a little family fun. It's really just a great boat. And as you look at the helm seat, we'll turn around here. Got the double seat. Got up bolsters in the up position. They fold down so you can sit comfortably, two of you side by side. And on the back, there are 4 rod holders on the back. And again, there's your bait well, lighted bait well. And then up on the T-top, there's another 5 riggers up top there. Rocket launchers, as they say. So again, this is the 21 Montauk here on display in our Copiague showroom. So come on down and see us. The boat is absolutely beautiful. We look forward to seeing you here in Copiague. Have a great day now.